How to follow companies and influencers on LinkedIn. First of all, log into your account and use the search bar at the top to find the company or influencer you want to follow. You can filter results by companies, people, or content to make your search easier. Next, go to the company or influencer's profile page. For companies, click the follow button at the top of their page. For influencers, click the follow button under their profile picture. By following them, their posts and updates will appear in your LinkedIn feed. After following, engage with their content by liking, commenting, or sharing valuable posts. This helps you stay informed, build your professional knowledge, and even get noticed by the company or influencer. You can follow multiple companies and influencers relevant to your industry to create a personalized feed full of useful updates and career insights. Now you know how to follow companies and influencers on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.